Hi guys, welcome to Liliana's Fun Club. Today we are going to be making an Easter Bunny card. So the materials you'll be needing is paper. Would suggest like light paper, like these colors. Yeah, and then you'll also need googly eyes for the eyes. You will need pom-poms for the tail and nose. And what I'm going to be using to make the whiskers is this foam sticky color pink. Pink color. And it's shiny. And it's sticky like on the back like a sticker. So let's get started. Sorry. I'm going to be using this purple for mine card. And yeah. So you need to make like an egg shape. So let's start cutting them. Okay, so you need this purple paper because I'm using it. You can use any color you want. And then I'm gonna get scissors and cut it through. If you can't make a perfect oval shape and you want to make a perfect oval shape, I can tell you that you can trace it off of any egg or oval shaped something. I got it off of this garland, I think. Okay, so I already traced it, and then now I'm supposed to cut it. So we need to make two because the card is folding. So we can open it and read the card. Let's start cutting. Okay, so I cut this out, and my mom helped me to make it straighter. So thank you. And I got my little pom-poms for the nose and the tail. And let me get the whiskers and googly eyes. So I got the whiskers and the googly eyes. So I think tape will help putting the card together. So tape. So here are the whiskers I cut out. And now I'm gonna be taking a little piece of this. Okay, so I'm gonna cut a little piece of this part. There. Okay, so I got these little stuff out at the right angle. Well, at the right place. So now I'm gonna be sticking them. So two at one side. Like that. Let's get another one. Like that. I don't know, I think I'm basically stacking them. Yeah, I am stacking. Okay, so here is the nose. I'm gonna be using a light shade of purple, violet basically. And let's the glue, disappearance glue I think, because it's purple. That's usually the disappearing glue. This is not working. I think it's too high. Okay, so you should push it down if it keeps popping up. So push it down a little bit, like for maybe like 10 or 8 seconds. And then it should stay a little bit, then leave it alone for a little bit. So I'm not gonna touch it. Now I'm just gonna put the googly eyes on for now. So, okay, so I glued on the googly eyes. See, it looks so cute. It's starting out so nice, but we still have to do the legs and ears. So yeah, let's start making the ears. Okay, so I just finished the bunny ears. So you can make like a circle one, or if you want, you can make a pointy, like anyone that you think that would be nice. It's your creations. So now we are going to, so now we're going to glue the small one inside. Okay, so let me just do like one straight line through the small one and put it. See, now after we do those, we'll put it like that. It looks so cute after. Put it one straight line. And put it on. Now we'll get the glue and go like that. Put on both, don't forget that. Put it like that. That's it. And then let's put the second bunny here. And look at that cuteness. It's so cute. Okay, so let's start cutting and tracing the legs. So let's start. Oh, I didn't see you there. Okay, so I'm finished with my legs, and then I also thought, my mom thought that a bow would be nice because of a girl, you know. So you know if it's a girl or a boy. If you want to do a boy, you can maybe like make like the same bow, or any bow that you like, and then put it like right there, like so it's like right there. And then you can also put eyebrows instead of eyelashes for a girl, if you want to do a boy. So I'm gonna get one of these markers, and then to make little nails, or like for the toes. Like that. Like this. Okay. So I'm done with the little things, the legs, and then so now we're gonna go put it like that. Let's see. Okay, so I put the glue on the little bunny's feet. So now we are going to glue it on. Oops, I put it too low. High. Okay, like that. And then put it to the other side. Okay, so you see little feet? So cute. Okay, so I got the little bow out. So you can get little strings like these. You can get blue if you want. You can get any color. I just wanted to do blue, yellow, because I think that would look cute. Okay, I thought tape would be better. Then maybe we can put some stain glue to make it more secure. There is the bow. I'm going to put some sequins. Oh, this big piece. Let me pick that up. And then we're going to get the scissors. Okay, so I cut out the little sequins, or little rhinestones, I think that's what they call them. I feel like 3 would be enough for it. And there's a little bow. Wait, maybe a little bit more, I like it. 1 second. Okay, so I got the little bow. Oopsie. I got the little bow ready. I put 6 of them because I love these shiny guys. I don't think tape would be good for this, to put the bow on. Oh, that looks so cute. So now I'm gonna do the little mouth, so it's gonna be like for a little dog, how they do. So you go a straight down line, and then you make little J's, or U's. And yeah, and then so now we are going to do eyelashes. Oh, this looks little mouth. Now I'm gonna do eyelashes. You can do eyelashes if you want it to be a girl and if you want it. Okay, put the eyelashes. And yeah, look, that looks so cute. And the last part of this whole project is to make a little letter inside. It's gonna be so cute. And if you want to put a little white piece of paper inside, make it like a little tummy inside if you want it. And then, so write the letter in this, you can do that. So you could put glue on the back, maybe make a big Z, and then glue it on. And then, okay, so I wrote the message in. Happy Easter, XOXO, love Liliana. Okay, so I got the glue. I accidentally put a lot, too much glue. Now I'm gonna put it inside. And yeah, we're done with our project. I loved how the bunny card turned out, Easter bunny turned out. It looks so cute, and I just love it. Like and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you get notified when I make a new video. Comment down below what other videos, baking, anything that you want to do. See you next time. Bye!